Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sriyan K Videos. Today we will going to learn a chapter from Social Studies, Timelines and Eras of History. Have you ever wondered how do we know the past events that have happened thousands of years ago? Or how did the historians know about them? Let's find out. What is history? History is the study of past, and the person who studies and writes about the history is known as historian. Have you ever wondered how the early humans worked or built civilization? For example, a car or phone have not come suddenly. They have developed for many years. History helps us to understand this journey. Let's dive into this journey. Experts who studies past. Historians are not only the experts who studies past. Geologist. A geologist is a person who studies Earth's physical features such as rock, soil, mountain, seas and ocean. Paleontologist. A paleontologist studies fossils of humans, plants and animals from ancient times. Anthropologist. An anthropologist studies human societies and cultures from today to ancient times. Sources of history. How do you know about the past? We learn it from different sources of history. There are four main sources: archaeological sources, artistic sources, oral sources, and literary sources. Let's learn them one by one. Archaeological sources. Archaeological sources are direct pieces of evidence from past. This includes monuments, mounds, inscriptions, coins, and excavations. Artistic sources. Artistic sources provide information about the culture, belief, and lifestyle of people. Examples include paintings, sculptures, and panels. These oral sources. Oral sources are stories passed down from generation to generation by speaking. Example, folk tales and genealogical sources. Literary sources. Literary sources are handwritten texts that help us to understand history. Example includes poems and plays, Vedas and Itihasas, collection of stories, and scientific and technological texts. Historians divide time into two parts, BCE and CE. BCE means before Common Era. It means the dates that counts backward, while CE means Common Era, which means the dates that counts forward. Previously, AD and BC were used instead of CE and BCE respectively. Example of timeline. Let's look at some important historical events. Around 8000 BC, the first farmer began farming. Around 2500 BC, the Indus Valley civilization flourished. Around 563 BC, Gautam Buddha was born. Around 320 CE, the Gupta Empire began. Around 1206 CE, the Delhi Sultanate was established. Today, we live in 2026 CE. Timelines and eras of history. A timeline is a line that shows events in chronological order. It helps us to understand when an event has happened. History is divided into three parts. Prehistory, the period of history before the invention of writing. Proto-history, the period of history when people know how to write but written records were limited and not fully understood. History, the phase when written records were available. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.